Hello, my writers. This week we are going to talk about nouns. So I have a little motion for you to do to help you remember what nouns are. So hopefully you watched Brain Pop already, so you have a little bit of an idea. But let's try this. You ready? Start with our 2 fingers. Nouns, name, a person, a place, or a thing. All right, you ready? You're going to do it with me. 2 fingers. A noun names a person, a place, or a thing. All right, you're going to hear me say that a lot this week, so that way you can remember nouns. I hope you do the motions with me. So we're going to take a close-up view of my chart next. All right, my first graders. So we're going to start with a noun names a person. So here's the word person. Here's my little symbol for person. Okay, to remind me that it's a person. Okay, so here are some examples of people or a person. So a person could be a baby, a woman, could be kids or girls, could be a teacher. A teacher's a person. This is a student or a boy. Those are both people. And here's a man. Okay, and then we have a little girl up here. So these are all people. They are all nouns. Okay, those are just some examples. Next, we're going to go over to place. So after a noun names a person or a place. Here's the word place. Here's my little symbol for place. So it looks like a little house. That's why when we do our motion, we kind of make that triangle point at the top and go down like a house. Okay, here's a house right here. A house is a place. Now we have some other pictures. So a place could be a physical building that we go to. For example, this is a school or a shop, right? Like a pizza place, or maybe we're going to McDonald's. Those are all places. Then we have a fire department. A fire department's a place that the fire engines go to, right? And the firemen go to. Now, a place does not have to be a physical building. A place could also be an area that we go to. Okay, so a place does not have to be a building. It can be an area we go to. For example, the beach. Do any of you go to the beach? If you go to the beach, that's a place. Okay, even though there's no building here, it's a place we can go. This could be a park or a playground. Even though there's no building here, it's still a place. It's an area that we go to. Okay, so those are some examples of a place. So we had a noun names a person, a place, and lastly we have a thing. Now, thing is divided between 2 things. We have a thing, but things are also animals. Animals are nouns. They fall under the thing category because animals are not people. They're definitely not a place. So they fall under the thing category, okay? So a noun could be a thing or an animal. So let's just look at the things that are actual things. And the reason why we put our hand up and go like this for thing is because you want to think of a thing as something maybe you could touch, you could hold, okay? So this is the example I use for a thing. I always draw a baseball because the baseball reminds me of something I can hold in my hand. Okay, another example of a thing, we have a pencil, right? We hold that in our hand, a lamp, a chair, and a ball. Okay, those are all examples of things. We can touch these, some of them we can pick up or we can hold. Okay, they are things, and that makes them a noun. Okay, animals. Animals are pretty much any kind of animal you can think of. Here's the word animal, and I use this symbol here. It kind of looks like a cat. That is my animal symbol. We have a dog, a snake, a fish, a cat, okay, and then our cute little doggy up here too. So those are all animals. Okay, so any animal that you can think of is a noun. Okay, it's part of our thing category, a thing or an animal. All right, boys and girls, let's do a quick review. All right, let's do our motions one more time. You ready? A noun names a person, a place, or a thing. All right, boys and girls, don't forget our nouns. We will be reviewing them all week long.